Wonderful nanny state is thinking about getting rid of the income tax deduction for mortgage interest. And if you're like me, you don't like paying income tax to begin with. And if you're really like me, you kind of wonder about the constitutionality of it, being that in the 16th Amendment in 1913 has some questions about whether or not it was properly ratified. But that's a whole nother topic that you need to research yourself. I'm not going to get into that today. But, I go ahead and pay my taxes because they come out of my check anyway. And the only reason I even get much of a return at all is because of the amazing amount of interest I pay a year on my house. And it's funny that those of us paying the mortgage interest, or the government's giving those same banks all the money it can. Looks like they gave them $9 trillion, the Federal Reserve did. I say the government, but you know what I mean. The Federal Reserve is also a private bank, so it gives itself money. And Citibank and everybody, they get my interest too, and they also get my income tax because most of the income tax goes to pay the interest on our national debt. So we're giving our tax money to these banks, ultimately, our income tax money, and now our mortgage interest that also goes to the same banks is going to be taxed on. So we're getting taxed on our tax, on our tax, on our tax. It almost gets confusing. What do you think?